A baby and the noisiest roommate on earth. This combo will have you laughing non-stop. Looks like he wants his little sibling to have a colorful outfit just like his.
It's ticklish, huh? Here. Uh-oh. Hey, Tidy-do. Come here, little shish.
If your child refuses to eat vegetables, get them a rival to compete with.
I know.
Parrot be like, I can't promise to help, but I promise to stay by your side. As long as they have each other, anywhere can become their playground.
Too much for you, Bubba? Oh, they love each other.
Sharing is love. No words needed to see how much the baby loves the bird. Look at how happy someone is to meet a new friend.
Hey! Sit down!
Seems like the parrot fell in love with the baby at first sight. With a babysitter like this, you won't have to worry about your child getting bored. I bet they'll earn the Student of the Year title together this school year. From his actions, you can tell this boy will grow up to be a great big brother.
You're doing good. So slow. And right back on his perch. Careful. Good job, buddy. Thank you.
I bet a lot of people would love to join them for afternoon tea. An underage driver and his navigator. You can tell this big brother hasn't left the baby's side since birth.
Hello. I know.
Teaching children to treat small creatures gently is very important, parents.
Give baby kisses. Yeah, kisses. You sleeping?
When sharing food doesn't go as planned,
You're doing such a good job, darling. You okay?
these two chatty friends will help the girl win every argument. A brother and the way he treats his big sister.
Take a picture, Travis. 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 Yes? Yeah.
Me and my little sibling looking for the person who promised to take us out, but hasn't shown up yet.
Oh, he loves you. Look, he's giving you kudos. He's soft, yes.
Such an adorable pair, right? Don't miss the next video!